I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making baked grouper fish. So these are grouper fish fillets. And before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So I also have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Before baking this fish, I'm going to season it, and I'm using olive oil, and my seasonings are salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. And of course, as always, you can always use seasonings of your choice, whatever you like to season the fish. So what I'm going to do is drizzle this grouper with olive oil and season with my seasonings. So I'm sprinkling here with salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. And now I'm going to rub the seasonings and oil in so it's evenly distributed, so the fish is coated with oil and seasoning. And now let's flip it over and season the other side. So same thing. So olive oil, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. And now let's rub the seasonings and oil so it's evenly distributed on this side. And now I'm going to put the seasoned grouper on a baking sheet. And by the way, when I bought this grouper, it was a one big fillet, and I just cut it into 4 pieces because that's how I prefer it. But you can bake it as 1 piece as you like, totally up to you. Perfect. So this seasoned grouper is now ready to be baked, and I'm going to put it in the oven. It was preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna put it in the oven and bake until it's cooked through. Now grouper has been baking for 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready. Let's take a look. Look at this baked grouper. It looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now I do recommend checking the internal temperature to make sure it's cooked through. In the thickest parts of fish, it needs to be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit for fish. So check to make sure, yeah, it's over 145. For thicker pieces, it might take longer to bake, so it also depends on your oven. So my time was 20 minutes, but yours might be a little more. totally up to you. Just always cook it until it's the proper temperature. So this fish looks perfect. I'm so excited about trying it. So let me just take one fillet and I'll put it on a plate. So good. This seasoning makes it look so nicely browned. Perfect. And let me just show you. So it's tender flakes, so easily with a fork. Perfectly cooked. And let's try it. It's so tender, so soft, and so full of flavor. This seasoning makes it so flavorful. You will love it, and it's so easy to make, and it's a super healthy recipe. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!